Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So we are here to do another hairstyle for men. Last time we did the small 2-strand twist, and today we're just going to do our traditional thick 2-strand twist. Quicker hairstyle, very easy, and he probably keeps it up for about a week and then takes it down and has just a twist out. So let's get started. We're going to be using our oil mixture that we made and we explained to you in the last video. And we're also going to be using the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. So we're going to have that on there. Of course, we have our water oil bottle, comb and brush, hair clips, and we use the smaller thread clips for the ends of his hair so that they'll stretch. His hair usually just curls right back up as soon as we twist it, so we just put these on it to give it a little weight to hold it down. And just like any other hair, you want to make sure it's moisturized before you go into it. We're not going to spray a lot because we don't want it to be soaking wet. Part your hair, do it thick. You can make them small, you can really do them any size. Look at those curls, y'all. Do you see them? Look how beautiful. I need y'all to see this. It's just the bouncing. My hair don't curl like that. Y'all repeat the process throughout the entire head, and you're not even spinning in the camera.
Oh.
Just I think you just gotta spin it around.
I don't know why you do that. Well, I'm bring the chair with me. I'm fine.
I don't know, but I'm not editing this kind of thing right in there. I think you're supposed to be facing me now. No. You can stay there. You can stay there. That's fine. Yeah, you can stay there. Okay. Sit down.
No, I just
come on in. Yeah.